It's your boy, Doing Everything here, and today we'll be playing NBA 2K20, not 21. But you guys might be asking, like, why are you on camera? Because, like, when I press camera, it's not working. Like, see? So, I'm just using from here. Okay, let's just get right in. I'm gonna be right here, guys. So, I'm gonna be right here. It said iPhone Max. Look, baby's right there. Oh, yeah. Ooh, gold pop here. No, it's not gold. That might be easy though. I have Daniel Lillard, Vince Carter, Dirk Nowitzki. That might be easy though. Oh, I'm not sure. Okay. Lillard. I wish Lillard can make it like this. What? Vince Carter? No, it's not Vince Carter. Kevin Durant made it over. Again, who made it? Oh yeah, you guys can't see. Okay, guys, I guess that's better. God, it's kind of squishing me too. Right here. Made it. Vince Carter and Paul Pierce kind of look the same with the headband on. So sometimes I might get confused. Like, Vince Carter literally looks like Paul Pierce. But God, I'm getting squished. I'm getting squished because of the table. I made it? Oh, it's 5-6 now. Here. Right here, I actually made it. Right there, dang. No! Oh yeah, guys, my Xbox using. Hold on, I'll show you after this. Look, I'm playing on controller, Xbox. Sorry if I'm being quiet, I gotta focus. You know what you have to do? Focus. Don't be talking. Focus if you're in a serious game. I'm gonna do something sick for you guys. Here. Watch this, guys. We need Dirk to go in the middle. Dirk is not. Guess who can't shoot these? Dirk. No, he made it. I'm getting killed out here. It's 14-5. This will be uploaded straight to YouTube, no editing. Come on, bake. Oh yeah, break my bikes. Okay. Right there. We'll put it only at the TVs. You guys might be asking, like, how old is Bailey? Like, Bailey isn't a year yet. She's still young. Bailey, she's fat though. Bailey's fat. Oh yeah, if it's showed. Actually, I might make a Bailey movie, like you know how Elijah made an Amber movie. I might do a Bailey movie. Only if this video gets to 5 likes. I was gonna say Amber movie. because no, I was gonna do a Bailey movie. Made it. Yeah, I'm gonna do a Bailey movie. If this video gets to 5 likes, Bailey movie coming out soon. Take some videos of her. Hello, Bailey. Bailey's right there looking at me. Made. Lillard is so good. Oh yeah, I totally forgot that I'm not recording her right there. So this video is automatically have to end at 15 minutes. No. This actually might have to be edited on my movie. Charge it. Ooh. Oh. Why can't we just go like this to... Ooh, we charge in like that. Oh my god, sorry if I keep looking up there because I think like I'm recording from my camera, but I'm not. On my computer, I'm recording from screen half a minute. There, right there. There. Ooh. Guys, if you want to try to speed 2K, go ahead. Oh my god. I'm not even paying attention to you big shit. Okay, the video says 6 minutes. Right here. Green. You suck, Willard. No, you don't suck, Willard. You're the best player. Not even looking, and I see they made it. We're quitting. Your opponent left a match. I did. This video is copyrighted. Oh yeah, here's my Xbox username her. Actually, no, I'm gonna do a Fortnite video. We're actually gonna change this to half NBA, half Fortnite. I'm gonna play Fortnite. Here's my username. My profile. Guys, this is my profile. So you know how Antonio or Blue Just guy, he asked me for my Xbox username, and here I got it on the video. It's called Danilo OMG is the B. Okay, let's switch to Fortnite now. I'm gonna play Fortnite. This video is gonna be called half Fortnite, half NBA video. Cause like you know how like I did a half NBA and half Minecraft video. Now I gotta do a half Fortnite video and a half a Fortnite video and a half an NBA video. Since I didn't do it, so I have to. Hey Bailey. Bailey. She's not even paying attention to me. That's how mean she is. Okay, guys, I'm gonna pause the video until I open up my Fortnite. But if I put on my headset, I'm gonna record the audio so you guys can hear it. Or no, I might take off my headphones and let you guys hear it. Anyways, okay, guys, I'm gonna pause the video till I'm done. Guys, I'm inside the match now. Okay. I'll be inside of Fortnite now. How would do item shop? So, let's do. No, why am I looking over here, guys? Let me play some solos. The rest of the video is gonna be on about Fortnite. So, I did 8 minutes of NBA. Now it's gonna be 7 more minutes of Fortnite. Yeah, and if I get to 66 subscribers, I will do like what I do off camera. So like what I usually do off camera. I'll do a video of this. I'll do a video of that if I hit 66 subscribers. So if you guys would like to see that, remember to hit that subscribe button and like button. God, that keeps scaring me every time with the cuss. Let's land Caddy Corner. I'm gonna land Lazy. lazy, like, oh my god. Keep losing my voice. I keep talking too much, so I'm gonna be quiet. I haven't lost my voice yet. I thought of so many video ideas when I get so many subscribers. Like, I'll only using Google Translator for 24 hours. Pranks. Something like that. I'm just waiting until I get a camera, guys. Then I'm gonna start doing. Ooh, pumps. Okay. Ooh. Why am I doing recording a video 24 hours straight? Oh my god. Another pump. Another pump. I should just rock double pump. Double pump strategy now. I'm scared. I hear noises. I'm driving a car. You can even have to do this. Fuck! Oh, Jesus. Come out the car! No, Jesus, no. Oh my god, guys, I just got that on camera. I got 30. Oh. I need help. Okay. Oh. I'm usually not that sweaty on Xbox. What the heck? The video's at 12 minutes now. Let me heal up real quick. I'm gonna try to get the last kill. I'm gonna try to get the last kill on Fortnite. Is that some? I thought that. Oh my god! Someone's shooting me. Am I really blind? Oh my god, who stole my kill? But I don't have an AR. Darn it, I don't even have an AR, guys. Double pump strap. Oh my god, come on. Got him. Thank you for that much. Every kill I get is every new subscriber. Actually, I'm just gonna do the outro here, but it's gonna end at 15 minutes. So hope you guys enjoy. Remember to like and subscribe. I'm out, peace. But you know the video's gonna automatically end at 15 minutes, so I'm just gonna do the outro now. I don't have to do it here. Got him. Oh my god, I have 4 kills. 4 kills. This is how sweaty I am. Off camera on Fortnite. Oh yeah, I could grab that green pump. Rock double pump now. God. Oh, is there a puffer fish down Fortnite? God, I hear I hear shoes.